10 Proven Ways to Earn on Facebook. Facebook Ads. Facebook Ads is a popular advertising platform for businesses looking to reach a larger audience. You can earn money by running Facebook ads campaigns for businesses or by creating ads and promoting them on Facebook. Sponsored posts. You can earn money by creating sponsored posts for businesses. Companies pay Facebook influencers to create posts and share them with their followers to promote their brand. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can use your Facebook page to promote affiliate products and earn a commission on each sale. Selling products. You can use Facebook Marketplace to sell products and earn money. This platform allows you to sell anything from clothes to electronics to furniture. Facebook groups. You can create or join Facebook groups related to your niche or interests and earn money by promoting products or services to the members of the group. Facebook Live. Facebook Live allows you to broadcast live video content to your followers. You can use this feature to showcase your products, services, or to provide valuable information to your audience. Fan subscriptions. Facebook has a feature called Fan Subscriptions, where you can offer exclusive content to your followers in exchange for a monthly subscription fee. Social media management. Businesses often hire social media managers to manage their social media presence. You can offer your services to businesses and manage their Facebook pages, create content, and engage with their audience. Selling digital products. You can sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and software on Facebook. Crowdfunding. You can use Facebook to promote your crowdfunding campaign and raise funds for your project or business. You can also create a Facebook page to keep your backers updated on the progress of your project.